In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a way in which you are going to be earning money online. And cool thing is that you do not need to be selling anything. You don't need to have a social media following. You don't need to have a website. Okay. I'm going to show you everything step by step. And as far as I know, this strategy is something that you can do worldwide. I haven't seen any restriction yet. So chances are that it doesn't matter where you are from, you can actually do it. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money online without selling, without having a landing page or website, without creating a funnel, without having a social media following. So everything is gonna be here. By the way, guys, keep watching the entire video because I want to make sure that you're not gonna be missing any step. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna be revealing another way in which you can earn even more money online, but that's gonna be at the end. Now let me share with you my screen so you can see everything about this strategy. Okay, remember guys, we are not gonna be selling anything, okay? But we're gonna be doing a strategy that is called CPA or cost per action or cost per acquisition. So the website that we're gonna be using is called cpagrip.com. This is a website that I really like because it do have a lot of offers and you don't need to go crazy in order to be accepted on this network. Okay, I'm gonna be leaving the link below so you can actually access to this website. Okay, so if you go here where it says offer tools, you're gonna see that they do have tons of offers. My suggestion is here at the top. Please make sure that you're gonna be choosing US or United States. Okay, this is not an offer for you. This is an offer for the people who we are gonna be targeting. Okay, or who are actually gonna be the ones who are gonna be clicking. You know, there are tons of countries as you can see here, but my suggestion is go with the US because of the payouts. Okay, because of the payouts and because of the offers, it's way easier, you know, to drive traffic from the US and it's way more profitable than from another website or sorry, from another country. Okay, you're gonna see that we have from desktop, mobile, certain mobiles, mobile all. Okay, we're gonna go with one from the mobile. We're gonna try to find those that are from mobile all. Okay, so now, for example, we have this one, which is get a PlayStation 5 now. You're gonna get paid $1.90 every single time someone submit their information. Okay, there are tons of offers here, but this is the one that we're gonna be using for this example. Okay, now that we have the offer and we have everything, I'm gonna be clicking on this, and there's some things that I'm actually gonna be checking. For example, this is a mobile offer, and people are required to enter the mobile number, okay, in order to win. These are for people who are in the US, and you're gonna get paid $1.90. Okay, that's it. You don't need to be making anybody make a purchase. You can actually click here, and this is the link that we are only we're gonna be actually sharing. Okay, so now we need a way in which we're gonna be delivering this message. So we are gonna be using one of my favorite tools, which is called Canva. You're gonna go to canva.com. And in this case, I'm going to be using Instagram, but I'm not going to be using my Instagram account. Okay. But more about that in a moment. By the way, guys, I'm going to be using Instagram for this example, but you can use TikTok, you can use, um, you know, the Facebook Reels, but I'm going to go with Instagram. So I'm going to be typing in here Instagram. And you're going to see that I have the grid, the live, the ads. Okay. In my case, I'm going to go with Instagram story. Okay. So I'm going to go with Instagram story. I'm going to click here and we are going to be able to select a lot of templates. Okay. We're going to be able to select a lot of templates. Okay. They do have pay and free graphics. Okay. So please make sure that you're going to be choosing one that is actually free. For example, we have this one, daily reminder. So I can click here to customize the template and I can just change the words and I can deliver my message. If you want, you can create it from scratch. That's okay as well. Okay. You literally need to double click and you are going to be changing the font, the colors, and everything. So we're going to be typing a message that is going to be related to our offer. Okay. In my case, the offer is get a PS5 for free. Okay. Okay. So for example, I can type like get a chance to win a free PS5. Okay. You can type it here. Let's say that you already type it. Okay. If you want to share it, you're going to click here where it says share and you can click here where it says download and you can download as a PNG. Okay, that's the very first step. Okay, so now we have a cool graphic and we have the promo that we're going to be using. If you guys are enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know if this is a strategy that is actually new for you or did you already knew about it. Let me know where are you guys from because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. If you're really serious about earning money online, check the very first link in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online so you can make money while you travel, while you sleep, while you're living your life in your terms. So that's going to be the very first link in the description. Now let me go back. Now, what else we need? We need eyeballs, okay? But remember that we are not going to be investing time creating a social media following. For that, we do have a lot of people who love that, and they have been creating a following for years now. Okay, so we're gonna go to a website called Shoutcart. You're gonna go to shoutcart.com, and you're gonna see that this is an influencer marketplace. Okay, so you're gonna find top influencers. This is guaranteed. You're gonna see some of them who has been featured here and you are gonna see, for example, like if you have like cat and kitten promo, you're gonna see that you can invest $35 and you're gonna have you know a huge potential with this. Okay, so now what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be creating an account. It's going to be a free account. There are two types of account. One if you're an influencer and one if you are going to be an advertiser. So please make sure that you're going to be choosing the one that it's an advertiser and you're going to go here at the top where it says influencers. Okay. Here on influencers, we can find, for example, US audience. Okay, because in my case, I'm gonna go with US audience. Okay, you're gonna see that you're gonna have influencers with different channels like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Some of them sometimes are gonna be offering you a deal in which they are gonna be doing all. They're gonna be doing the graphic and they're gonna be doing what we call the shout out. So that means that your information is going to be in front of the audience. So you're going to see some of categories, which is actually really helpful if you have no idea to which offer you are going to be promoting. You can also click here where it says country. Okay, I'm going to choose, for example, United States, and I'm going to be clicking update. We really don't mind because the offer that we're using really don't care about the age or the gender. But if you are targeting an offer, that it's going to be related to a woman, that is okay. For example, you can go with an investment of $60, okay? And you are gonna have, an account who has a huge following, almost 600,000 followers, okay? So just by investing, um, $60. Okay, if we do the math here really fast, okay, we are gonna see that, for example, you are gonna be investing $60 and the payout it's $1.90. Okay, so 60, okay, divided by $1.90. Okay, you are gonna need to have 31 conversions. And remember, with this huge following, chances are that you're gonna get way more than that. Okay, there are other prices as well. For example, we have $19 here, okay? So if you're on a budget, you can find these type of accounts. This one is on TikTok, so you will need to go to Canva and find a template for TikTok. But this one, it's $20, over 100,000 followers. This is a great deal. Okay, so this is actually a way, guys, in which you can earn money without following, without creating, your own offer. And if you're in a budget, you can get tons of results. Okay, you can also ask them, like, hey, this is the type of offer that I would like to promote. Do you think that, okay, this is going to be a right fit for your audience? Okay, by the way, Reese offer is really generic because, again, it's all about PlayStation 5, but there are others who are a little bit more target. So now, guys, if you are ready to join, what's my number one recommendation to make money online so you can make money while you travel, while you sleep? I'm going to leave a link below. So that's going to be the very first link in the description. If you have some comments, some questions about this strategy, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.